At any moment, the atmosphere contains enough H2O to cover the entire planet with 1 inch of water. But besides rain, how do we get this water out of the atmosphere? Well, there are several ways, but one way is to use a machine. A company called EcoloBlue makes water generators. These generators make water drinkable, and for you, it's as simple as pushing a button and like magic you have water. Okay, but not magic, but technology. With similarities to an air conditioner, the unit works by capturing and cleaning the water condensation with its 12-stage filtering process, including an RO filter. Now I have a 30ME machine, and hands down I noticed the benefits. It's designed to work with solar, so in a disaster or an emergency, I still can provide quality water to my family. Totally gives me a warm and fuzzy feeling inside. This obviously helps with me becoming more self-sufficient. Another huge benefit is its easy maintenance. Switching out the filters is as simple as changing the filters on your refrigerator. It has a reflux system that keeps the water circulating, along with 3 UV lights to keep the bacteria from growing. It also has the option of hot or cold water. Totally cool, because I can make the fastest atmospheric water oatmeal on the planet. Well, me and other people who have a machine like me. You can go to EcoloBlue's website, links below, and get the unit specifics. But let's get down to the real practicality of owning one of these machines. It's kind of like having your own personal little water factory. Over 2/3 of your body is made of water, so it makes sense to control quality water, especially if you want to be self-sufficient, want a healthy lifestyle, and you want to save money. Not only does the generator make water from humidity, but the machine has a spigot in the back that can take in municipality water and clean it as well. So on the days the humidity is low here in the desert, I just run the city water through it and I still have clean water. Much easier and convenient than going to the store. This allows me to keep up with the family water needs for cooking and drinking, and some of my other rogue needs like hydroponics, aquaponics, and aeroponics, etc. I also have a bit better idea of the contaminants that are in my water, which are mostly from dust in the air or other particulates that are already in the system. And I love that it produces water that is slightly alkaline. As we all know, it's harder for disease to live in a slightly alkaline body. It also has a mineral filter that puts back important minerals the body needs. EcoloBlue makes these machines starting at about $800 on up. I calculate about a 3 to 5 year return on investment depending on the humidity in your area. Given some of the growing issues with water quality around the world, who knows, this could be the future of our water. Let us know where you think the future of water is headed and what we can do about it in the future. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share.